Coming to the level B question, this is the picture given. You need to find x. Now first we will consider this ABC. In this ABC, this is 40 degree, this is 90 degree. So from this you can find the angle B. 90 plus 40, 130. Therefore this will be 50 degree. Okay, this is 50 degree, this is 100 degree, this is x. Again use angle sum property. So it is 30 degree. This is the second question. See here angle B is given as 65 degree, this is 33 degree. And this MAN, where I have given the question mark, that only you need to find. For that what it is given, this AM makes 90 degree. And this AN is the angle bisector, which means these two angles are equal. Okay, how are we going to proceed? We know B, we know C. First we are going to find angle A. What is angle A? 180 minus 65 plus 33. So from this we find angle A as 82 degree. Okay, if this entire thing is 82 degree. Okay, this is 90, this is 65. From that this part BAM we are going to find. When we find that BAM, it is 25 degree. Okay, we found the total angle A is 82. This small part which is not marked with any angle is 25. So the remaining angle will be 25 plus this remaining angle is 82. So this remaining angle is 57. But this AN is given as bisector. So the 57 is divided by 2. Therefore MAN is 28.5 degrees. See, I am focusing on the solution. The first part of the third sum is nothing but the angle sum property you need to prove. The second part is in a right angle triangle, which means one angle is 90 degree. So out of the other two angle, one angle is 1/4 of the other. So you need to find. So one angle is 90. If other angle is x, then one more angle will be x by 4. Use the angle sum property here. 90 plus x by 4 is 180. So when you take LCM, 5x by 4 is 90 degree. From there you find the value of x as 72. So 1/4 of x is 18. So the other two acute angles are 72 and 18 degree. Actually while posting the question, children, I didn't mention this angle. This is x minus 6 for the fourth question in level B. I am really extremely sorry children. So in both the cases you have to make use of angle sum property and find the value of y. You will find like this: 4y plus 3y plus 6 plus 90 is 180. From there you find what is the value of y. This is separate, this is separate. Here x plus x minus 6 plus 90 is 180. From there you need to find the value of x. Similarly for the fifth question also, I have given find the value of x, but I didn't mention x in your question. So x is this part. So from this part you can see if this is 60 degrees, since these two are parallel, angle C in this outer part is also 60 degree. The reason is corresponding angle. Now use the exterior angle property. X plus 25 is 60, which means x is 35 degree. Coming to the sixth question, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so here you can see a Z is formed. So if this is 27 degree, this part is 27. Now what happens? B is 62 degree, C is 27 plus 23, which is 50 degree. So when you add these two, it is 112 degree. You need to find angle A. Use angle sum property. 180 minus 112 degree is 68 degree. For the seventh question, you have to find this EOD. No, actually it is given, this is the angle bisector. So these two angles are equal and this is the angle bisector. So these two angles are equal. These two angles I am mentioning it as x, x. Here I am mentioning it as y, y. This angle is given as 90 degree. Now for the whole triangle, use the angle sum property. 90 plus 2x plus 2y is 180 degree. From there 2x plus 2y is 90, x plus y is 45 degree. Good. Now AOC, consider this AOC. X plus y plus AOC is 180. But we know x plus y is 45 degree. So using angle sum property, this AOC is found to be 135 degree. Therefore EOD is also 135 degree because of vertically opposite angle.